Hey everyone, welcome back to Ricksaw, where we like to turn ideas into sawdust and solution. On today's episode, we are unboxing a new tool, and you're never going to guess what it is. Unlike all the tools in this workshop that are used to cut down wood, this is a 3D printer. Today, we're looking at the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo. I picked this up just a few days ago, and today we're going to unbox it, make sure everything arrives safe, and on future episodes, we're going to take a greater look into it. So let's dive in. That went fairly smooth. Probably the best thing about building a sturdy workbench is the ability to stand on it and get all of the packages out. All right, so here we have it. Everything looks in really good shape. No dents or anything that I'm seeing. Got the odors manual right here. The Anycubic Kobra S1. Right on top, got a few Allen keys, probably for disassembly. So far, taking a look around the unit, everything's got nice plastic on it. I'm not seeing any dents or dings on any side. Looking good. We got QC passed. A lot of good foam padding all around the unit. Okay, let's go ahead and pick it up. So for Anycubic, what they use is the multi-material system is their Ace Pro, and the Ace Pro is located in here. There are instructions right on the lid and within the instruction manual on how to extract the Ace Pro. So we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, Ace Pro lifts right out, pretty simple. Looks like there's a few other items in here. We'll go ahead and take this out. Okay, looks like it has a few more screws to take out to get the shipping platform uninstalled. I like that they include all the Allen wrenches. Not that I don't have enough in the workshop, but it's very convenient for those that don't have the set handy and they need to get this done. Really convenient. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay, now it looks like I need to unlock the bed from its storage location. So we'll go ahead and undo those. There are 3 screws for that, 1, 2, and 3. Arrows are pointing at all of them, making it very convenient to know exactly what to undo. Okay, excellent. Now, bed is free. This is a double-sided PEI sheet. Pretty cool that it's double-sided. Oh, door's got a little magnet to it. Really nice feel. Now let's take a look at the Anycubic Ace Pro. All right, so here we have the Ace Pro. It's their multi-material system. It holds 4 spools of filament, and it's going to go on top of the Kobra S1. Let's get this unwrapped and hooked up. Nice little sliding lever there. All right, 4 spools. There's 4 PTFE tubes in here. And it looks like they give you a little bit of sample filament to get started. Perfect. This multi-material system does dry the filament as well. Set it on top of the Kobra S1 with the back of the machine facing us. Okay, we have the PTFE tube from the Kobra S1. We'll connect into that. Okay, we have a 6-prong connector. The unit just connects here with a few screws, and then we'll connect it to the 6-prong connector here. The screws are nicely labeled. So this says for the filament hub, and it comes with the hex screws. Really nice. Everything's nicely labeled. I also found this charcoal bag All right, for odors, that's gonna go in this little section here. So that's about it for the unboxing right now. I'm going to get it set up in its final resting place. And then when we come back, we are going to take a look at some first prints and see how this Anycubic Kobra S1 can really do. Stay tuned. All right, so for the rest of the setup, I'm moving indoors. All right, it was starting to get really humid in the garage, and I wanted to keep this inside for now before I rearrange things out in the garage or in a future new workshop. But regardless, what we're gonna do now is connect the PTFE tubes from the Ace Pro to the Kobra S1. So let's go ahead and do that. Fairly simple. So I'm just gonna connect these in a random order, trying to keep the tubes untangled. Something to note, the unit does come with a spool holder. That will go on the back. So if you did not buy the Ace Pro, you do have a spool holder and it will attach to the back. We're not gonna need that this time because we have the Ace Pro. Next, we're gonna get the power cables out and we'll get everything connected and powered on. All right, so got everything set up now. We have the Kobra S1 and then the Ace Pro on top. I've got it pulled away from a little bit on the wall just so I can access anything back there. I'm gonna use one of these bins, empty bins, to catch any filament for the time being. And we'll go ahead and power on the unit. Bring you in for a closer look here. All right, so far, setup, language. Next, global. Wi-Fi scanning. All right, now we've passed the Wi-Fi. We're gonna go ahead and do the guide. So it says insert U-disc, self-test, input shaping, and auto level. We'll go ahead and start that. So insert U-disc. I think that's this. Next. And we're starting to see some movement here. So right now it's running a self-test. Resonance compensation, please place the printer smoothly and avoid other sources of resonance, okay? Make sure everything's shut, confirm. Here, let me get you closer so you can hear this. Okay, we'll come back when all the testing is done. See you in a minute. So here I have just some filament. I put it on the spool and I'm just gonna get it locked in. Okay, we're all set. Gonna stick it in there and it already registered that it's in there. Knows it's in. Grabbing it all by itself. Nice.
Close the lid.
Just gonna load up one filament for now and we'll do a few more on other attempts, all right? So start printing and color match purple. All right, start printing. %, done right now. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the print. Are you sure you want to stop printing? Says it's all done. Yep, let's stop. Okay. First time taking something off the build plate here. So that's what it looks like. I mean, looks pretty good to me.